Product Singaro Cup Coasters. Looking for a way to make your drives a bit smoother and more enjoyable? Check out the latest from Singaro. This innovative accessory, known as the Flick, brings a simple yet effective solution to on-road communication. It's remote-controlled, letting you send driver feedback safely and hilariously with just a button click, replacing frustrating exchanges like yelling or brake checking. It's designed to diffuse road rage and keep things fun, all while staying compliant with U.S. traffic laws thanks to its amber-yellow, non-flashing lights. Plus, its automatic brightness adjusts seamlessly, bright during the day and dim at night, making it a perfect, easy-to-mount gift for anyone wanting a safer, cooler car experience. Product: Grand Pit Stop Tire Repair. Exploring off the beaten path often means losing touch, but the Grand Pit Stop Tire Repair changes that. This powerful device is specifically designed for overland and off-road adventures, boosting your signal strength even in fringe coverage areas. Its 180-degree folding antenna design makes setup and storage effortless, adjusting quickly when you're on the go. Built tough with industrial-grade materials and a protective rubber cover, it ensures stable signal strength through its durable construction and thicker cables. Plus, it offers universal carrier support for all U.S. networks, so compatibility is never an issue. No subscriptions are needed. It's a one-time purchase for lasting peace of mind on every journey, keeping you connected reliably. Product: MJJC Foam Cannon V3. For car lovers who enjoy maintaining their vehicles at home, the MJJC Foam Cannon V3 is a powerful tool to make engine care easier and more effective. This system, featuring a clever baffled design, effectively traps oil and moisture, stopping carbon buildup before it starts. Its universal vehicle fit and 300-milliliter capacity make it compatible with most cars. Just ensure there's space for installation. Plus, the included NBR hose kit is known for its exceptional wear and heat resistance, ensuring durability. This versatile device is compatible with your PCV system, giving you thorough protection for a professional quality engine performance every time. Product: Autobore Exhaust Tip. Looking to modernize your car's connectivity? Check out this upgraded Bluetooth 5.4 car adapter. It instantly brings advanced wireless audio to any vehicle without built-in Bluetooth. Gone are the days of lag and dropouts, thanks to its optimized signal range and anti-interference chip, ensuring super stable connections for all your calls and music. You'll love the 1-second quick pairing for first use, and it auto-reconnects instantly when you start your car, so no repeated pairing hassles. Plus, with dual charging ports and fast charging, your devices stay powered up on the go. Enjoy crystal clear calls and uninterrupted music, transforming your driving experience with ease. It even supports USB stick playback for ultimate versatility. A smart and affordable way to refresh your vehicle's tech and enjoyment. Product: Noco Genius 10 Charger. The Noco Genius 10 Charger is a smart, versatile solution to keep your batteries in top shape. It's an all-in-one charging system, acting as a charger, maintainer, trickle charger, and desulfitator. This unit is compact yet powerful, delivering over 115% more power in a design 17% smaller than previous models. It supports a wide range of 6-volt and 12-volt lead-acid and lithium-ion batteries, including deep cycle, marine, and power sport types. Its precision charging, featuring an integrated thermal sensor, dynamically adjusts based on ambient temperature. This ensures optimal battery performance by preventing overcharging in heat and undercharging in the cold. It can even charge dead batteries, reliably extending their life and giving you peace of mind. Product: Checking out a Givi 5 gap filler. Hey everyone, checking out a clever solution for your Tesla Model Y today, the Givi 5 gap filler. This ingenious portable freezer truly transforms your trunk space. It powers up super easily, plugging into your Tesla's 12-volt DC rear trunk socket. Designed for the Model Y, it maximizes trunk space. What's brilliant is it's both a cooler and a freezer. Say goodbye to ice and mess. It keeps food and drinks perfectly fresh, even in warm conditions. It boasts superior insulation with a 45mm thick layer, 50% thicker than many common fridges. There's even a rapid cooling mode for when you need things chilled fast. Imagine fresh groceries staying perfect or cold beverages always ready for your adventures. It's a simple way to keep your Tesla tidy and ready for anything. Product: Rightline Moki Step. Today we're checking out the Rightline Moki Step, a smart accessory for your vehicle. It features a 4K dash camera with vertical adjustment, plus a G sensor for emergency recording, all on the included 64GB TF card with loop recording. The 1080p rear camera automatically activates in reverse, offering a wide-angle HD view and clear parking guidelines, making maneuvers simple. Stay connected on the go with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, bringing your favorite apps and navigation seamlessly to your drive. For any iOS 26 CarPlay connection issues, dedicated support provides update files and a guide to keep you running smoothly. The Rightline MokiStep delivers essential safety and smart integration for modern journeys.
Product: Xiaomi Air Compressor. This sleek exhaust tip is designed for both style and resilience. Engineered with high durability and corrosion resistance, it truly stands out. It's built to brave the elements, resisting abrasion, extreme temperatures, and preventing the rust and peeling often caused by harsh weather or hot exhaust gas. Installation is easy, and its stylish design instantly upgrades your vehicle's tailpipe. This tip offers efficient drainage and universal compatibility, with a standard 2.5-inch inlet and a 4-inch outlet, spanning 12 inches overall. It fits vehicles with a 2.5-inch exhaust pipe outlet diameter, but remember to measure your tailpipe's outside diameter. The 2.5-inch inlet is designed for that specific fit. It's a smart choice for enhancing your vehicle's appearance and ensuring its longevity.
All right, let's check out the newly released MJJC Phone Cannon S V3.0. This genuinely elevates your car washing routine. It features thicker snow foam technology, creating incredibly creamy, dense, shaving cream-like foam for your vehicle. The V3.0 foam technology ensures you achieve that rich, thick foam using just a small amount of soap for efficient use. They've also refined the structure for smoother, easier 360-degree spray control, covering every surface. The V3.0 straw tube is brilliant, helping you use every drop of liquid, no waste. Attaching the bottle to the cannon is simpler with the new V3.0 bottle and cap, and the MJJC connection makes fitting it fast and easy. It comes with a 1/4-inch quick connector adapter, so you're set for an amazing foamy wash. Product: Leeson Retractable Charger. The Leeson Retractable Charger brings great convenience to your vehicle's maintenance. This compact and lightweight device makes storage easy, keeping your car organized. Its impressive 9.8-foot cord offers long reach for most regular-sized vehicles, and it's simple to manage, preventing clutter. A key feature is its programmable inflation. Just use the M button to select your pressure unit, then plus or minus to set your exact desired pressure. The air compressor intelligently shuts off automatically once that preset level is reached, guaranteeing precise inflation every time. Remember, it needs to be powered by a 12V DC cigarette lighter with your vehicle running for proper function. It's a simple, efficient tool for hassle-free tire care on the go. Product: Enevo Baby Window Shades. Introducing the Enevo Baby Window Shades, an incredibly innovative accessory for your Tesla Model Y. Now, I know what you're thinking. Window shades with one-click inflation? But this is truly unique. This custom-fit sleeping pad integrates seamlessly into your Tesla, perfect for those spontaneous road trips or camping adventures. It boasts effortless one-click inflation thanks to its built-in electric pump, ready in seconds for ergonomic comfort and that built-in pillow. Packing up is just as simple, with rapid deflation in a mere 90 seconds. It's a convenient solution, transforming your car into a cozy retreat, whether you're camping or just relaxing at the beach. This truly makes your Tesla road trip ready, offering comfort and convenience.
Product: Govee Car Underglow Lights. Checking out the Govee Car Underglow Lights, this device is a total game changer for car owners and pros. It's a smart 2-in-1 battery charger and tester, meaning it saves you both money and precious garage space. This dual-function design is seriously clever, making it perfect for your own car's upkeep or a busy technician's toolkit. Need a quick boost? The fast charge mode lets you start instantly with just a button press, no app needed. It supports a huge range of batteries too, all 6-volt and 12-volt lead-acid types like flooded, gel, AGM, maintenance-free, wet, Cal, EFB, plus 12-volt lithium-ion and LiFePO4. As a pro battery tester, the TB6000 Pro delivers accurate health reports, even providing pre- and post reports. It truly brings a modern, efficient approach to battery care.
Woiho Dog Car Seat. Today, we're exploring the Woiho Dog Car Seat, designed to enhance your driving style. This product brings vibrant personalization to your vehicle. It offers millions of colors with RGB IC lighting effects, providing over 16 million hues for DIY picking. The Goovy Home app captures colors from photos for personalized designs, applying them to your car underglow lights with many scene modes. A key feature is dynamic music sync. With your phone's mic, these neon accent lights dance to your songs. Choose soft or dynamic mode, making every drive a stylish event. Effortless app control via the Goovy Home app gives you complete command over your exterior car light strip. Its stable app system ensures customization. Simple installation means you'll enjoy these effects quickly, combining stunning visuals with ultimate convenience.
Product: Hotter Car Trash Can. For pet parents with small dogs up to 14 pounds, keeping your furry friend safe and comfortable on the go is essential. This Woiho Dog Car Seat console makes travel stress-free for both of you. Its multi-safety design includes a built-in adjustable safety belt with a strong metal buckle. Thick padding all around and 2 elastic straps at the bottom ensure stable travel, so your companion stays secure. It's truly portable, detaching easily from your car. With a wider shoulder strap and thickened carrying strap, you can carry it or wear it crossbody, making it a good choice for any outing. Plus, it features convenient storage pockets around the seat for your phone or other small items. The waterproof design and easy cleaning ensure it's practical for everyday use. This seat keeps your pet safe and your travel simple.
Product: AeroGogo Tesla Mattress. Looking for the ultimate car care solution? Check out the AeroGogo 4-in-1 Modular Car Smart Kit. This incredible system brings together everything you need: a powerful car vacuum cleaner, a cordless pressure washer, a reliable tire inflator, and a versatile power bank. It's a truly complete package for keeping your vehicle in top shape. The real genius here is the shared battery module. All these handy tools run off one single convenient battery. You only need to charge that one module, and you're good to go for any task. Plus, this smart battery doubles as a full-featured power bank for your everyday charging needs. It's an expandable system designed for comprehensive car care, making road trips or just daily maintenance super easy. AeroGogo makes car convenience simple. Product: Astro Eye Pressure Gauge. Introducing the Astro Eye Pressure Gauge, a remarkable tool designed to make your vehicle maintenance smoother. This gadget ensures quick, easy drying for your motorbike, preventing any unsightly scratches or smears. It's incredibly versatile too, perfect for detailed dusting, safely reaching into those tricky areas and engine parts. With powerful turbo blast at 2800 watts and variable airflow settings for both speed and temperature, you get maximum drying power exactly where you need it. Plus, its 14-foot flexible hose offers excellent reach, making chores a breeze. For extra peace of mind, it even comes with a 1-year assurance, offering a replacement simply within that period. This Astro Eye tool is truly an essential for maintaining a pristine ride. Product: Bayou 4-in-1 Car Kit. The Bayou 4-in-1 Car Kit streamlines your vehicle access, offering an ingenious way to reach your roof without the fuss. This handy step means no more struggling with bulky ladders or awkward step stools. It's thoughtfully designed for universal compatibility, attaching securely to any of your vehicle's U-shaped door latches, whether front or rear. The patented Moki doorstep provides a generous, wide platform for both feet, giving you incredibly stable and balanced standing. This convenient design makes loading hefty car-top cargo bags, canoes, kayaks, skis, snowboards, and even bikes onto your roof a total breeze. Its compact storage and vehicle-safe design provide effortless roof access, becoming a reliable companion for every adventure. Product: Joytutus Phone Mount. The Joytutus Phone Mount brings brilliant convenience to your car. Installation is incredibly easy. A quick setup simply by inserting its flexible rubber base into most round cup holders. This base expands from 3.0 to 3.25 inches, ensuring a secure fit with no adjustments needed. Just note it won't fit Jeep, Subaru Outback, Buick Envision, Chevrolet Equinox, Lexus RX 350, or Mini Cooper. The clever 2-in-1 design means you can secure and place your phone and also fit large bottles, up to 18 to 40 ounces, right in the same holder. No more fumbling for your device or searching for your drink. It provides stable, hands-free access for navigation or calls, keeping your essentials safe and accessible throughout your drive. This mount truly combines smart practicality with ease. Product: Ancel OBD2 Scanner. Tired of car clutter? This innovative trash container is a must-have, keeping your vehicle spotless effortlessly. It's ideal for quickly managing waste inside your car. Its adjustable strap offers versatile placement. Secure it to your front or back headrest or the center console, ensuring easy access for everyone. This adaptable positioning, coupled with its clever collapsible shape, provides exceptional functional convenience. It stores easily when not in use. Bag swaps are effortless too, thanks to 4 metallic magnetic snaps inside. These snaps simplify fastening and replacement, a major upgrade from typical designs. A durable, leak-proof interior contains spills, protecting your car's upholstery. This container transforms car tidiness, saving you time and the hassle of a messy cabin. Product: Sasimoto Dip Clip. The Sasimoto Dip Clip is a truly clever accessory that simplifies car care. This versatile tool offers compact storage, neatly disassembling into halves, making it an essential part of your car cleaning kit. It's an intimate combination, arriving with 4 upgraded microfiber pads, a 60 milliliter spray bottle, and even a storage bag. You'll achieve streak-free cleaning every time, thanks to the newly upgraded high-density cloth, designed for powerful water absorption and effectively preventing stains. The pads boast enhanced 10x better durability, and their improved flexibility ensures quick installation in just 3 seconds. Plus, the 180-degree rotating head adds to its ease of use. This Sasimoto Dip Clip simplifies your cleaning routine, keeping your interior glass spotless and saving you time. Product: KUIU Dog Seat Belt. For pet owners who prioritize their dog's safety on the road, the KUIU Dog Seat Belt is a reliable choice. This belt is designed for maximum durability. It's crafted from heavy-duty nylon webbing with reinforced stitching and sturdy metal components, so it stands up to tugging or chewing. You won't worry about it unbuckling or snapping when you need it most. A key feature is its elastic bungee buffer. This design absorbs sudden movements and jerks, significantly reducing the risk of choking while driving. It allows your pet to move freely within a set space, ensuring greater comfort throughout the trip. Plus, the quick-release buckle and anti-tangle design make securing and releasing your dog effortless, adding to overall convenience and peace of mind. Product: Topdon TB6000 Pro Charger. The Topdon TB6000 Pro Charger revolutionizes your in-car experience. It offers seamless wireless auto connectivity for simple, safe access to your Android phone while driving. Utilizing Google-licensed bridge technology, this USB adapter ensures fast data transmission, displaying your favorite apps directly on your car screen. It's the world's first and only accessory enabling wireless Android Auto in vehicles with factory-fitted wired systems. Setup is easy. Just plug it in, perform a quick pairing, then connect with your smartphone. Stay effortlessly connected, keeping focus on the road with all your key apps at your fingertips.
Rowent Baby Car Camera. Hey everyone, let's talk about keeping your car's interior looking great no matter what the day brings. These climate-proof car floor mats are a must-have for anyone wanting serious protection. They boast a universal fit, designed with flexible material that molds to your car's shape, giving you a semi-customizable feel. Whether it's snowy, rainy, or muddy, these mats offer maximum all-weather protection, keeping your interior pristine. They're built with top-grade, heavy-duty rubber, so you know they're made to last without deforming or cracking over time. Plus, they're trimmed to fit, making installation straightforward and super easy to clean. Their durable construction truly gives you peace of mind that your car's floors are always protected.